Hey, sister. I'm so excited. This is the year that you're going to write your book. That's huge. Congratulations. I can tell you from firsthand experience, there's nothing more satisfying and heartwarming and terrifying and exciting than having your book out in the public for total strangers to read and get the feedback that you've inspired them, that they're looking at their life differently. I sincerely hope you get that experience next year, the year after, whenever you're complete. What I also know is that every really good book starts with a solid book outline. And so few of us, me included, start our book writing experience with a book outline. We think, oh, I'm just going to write 15 minutes a day and whatever comes out, comes out. Or everything we've ever been through goes into this thing. We choose the wrong supporting stories, the wrong small details to move a chapter forward. And before you know it, we've spent 8 months or a year writing something that the audience doesn't connect to. I can tell you that firsthand. Book Outline Made Easy is a solution to bypass all that heartbreak, all that time and all that energy that you would waste. It is a 21-day experience, September 7th through the 27th, where you and I are going to get online together in a group setting, and I'm going to teach you how to find your story arc, your overall umbrella, the different themes that we're going to have in your book, and we're going to lay your book out chapter by chapter so you know exactly how to go from point A to point B, moving the plot forward in a beautiful narrative, what narrative that should sound like, what we want our audience to feel every single step of the way, the best supporting stories to have in those chapters and what themes those chapters will highlight, takeaways, everything you can possibly think of will go into this Book Outline Made Easy 21-day workshop. It's $222. I highly encourage you to jump in, particularly if this is the year you want to take a gigantic leap forward in your book writing experience. Give yourself this beautiful gift of setting up your foundation in a solid manner. A solid book outline is what you need. I hope to see you in class. Have a great day.